Hello guys, if you're looking forward for a PDF editor, something like Canva, you are watching the correct video. So in this video, I'll show you a professional looking PDF editor and generator that I developed entirely in browser inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the best Canva Pro alternative editor. So let me show you the demo right here. It has all the features for adding pages, editing pages, adding text, images, highlighting, annotating, anything. So I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. So after purchasing this, you will get this single file. So it's a single page application. So we have developed this in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Almost 2200 lines of code is there in this file. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify or add additional features. So it's very easy to run this in VS Code. Simply run this with VS Live Server. So this is actually the demo of the application, and it's also very easy to deploy the application as well. So you simply select whatever PDF file that you are editing. So once you select the PDF file, it will show you the live preview. It will show you the total number of pages. You can individually select the page number, and then you have these operators. You can even add a blank page as well. Simply click this button, duplicate as well. You can even delete this page. Simply click this and click on delete. It's very easy. You can click duplicate to actually make duplicate pages as well. So it's really easy. Then we have these operators, the pen operator to highlight or annotate something. As you can see, it's very easy to highlight the text in the PDF. Then you can even change the color of the highlighting as well by using this color picker. And then you can even change the stroke, which will make this a little bit larger. So it's all these features are there. Then you also have the capability to add the text in PDF. Simply click and then you can also add any text, multiple text. Just click wherever you want to add the text, and then using the select operator you can actually place it accordingly. Then you also have the capability to add images as well. Simply select it from the local file system and simply place it. You can change the width, everything you can place it accordingly. This will save you a lot of time guys. This is Canva clone professional looking PDF editor directly in the browser. And then we also have the feature for hide something. So you can use this operator. So now let's suppose I want to hide this. So I can simply select this and this will be hidden. So as you can just see right here. So it's really simple guys. All the now once you are happy, you can click this button export PDF. After that, all the changes that you have done is automatically saved right here. The images, text, this part is, as you can see, it's hidden. So this is an ultimate professional looking Canva clone PDF editor. If you are interested in this script guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it.